Now today we're going to see how we can make our own karaoke or remove vocal from video. If you search on Google or YouTube, mostly you can see they are showing you how you can do it over Audacity or Audition. But it's a little time consuming and complex process to do it. But here I'll show you how you can do it just a single click. Now here I'm going to introduce you Lali. So this is an AI based software which gonna help you to extract any type of music bits, like you can remove vocal, bass or any type of music from your video. So let's try to check our video. Now here you can see. Okay, so this video has music and sound. Now we just select it and let's see the preview. Here we can see that the voice and the music part is separate from each other. As you can see that the vocal is completely music free, and if you are choosing these options you can do it yourself. Now you can use it for Fiverr. You can sell this service over Fiverr. If you find out there are very less seller on this topic, and if you see at the gigs of this user, this is a level 2 user and so many work he got here, and he's giving only a sample for $5 to his clients, and you can do it for yourself. This person is mainly doing it over Audition or in Audacity, but you can do it in this tool in a very easy way, just a one-click way. Okay, here we are going to see another video, and let's see it really do as same as it tell us. Okay, it's processing. It take some time to process, and here you can see. Okay, this is really nice. The vocal is really sound free, and here's the music. You can separate any music from here. Okay, hope you enjoy this video and like it. The trick will show you more videos in upcoming days, and here you can get 10 minutes for free account. But if you're gonna get more, then you can subscribe, so you can get their subscriptions. Here their subscription, and it's really good, I think, if you are doing it for a professional way. Hopefully you enjoyed, and like and subscribe for our video. Have a good day.